Hey guys, so in this video I will be talking about support and resistance, and I would like you to know that if you are hearing background noises, I'm sorry about that, my apologies. So in this video, like I said I will be talking about support and resistance. So support and resistance, what is it in trading, in financial markets? How do they use it? What is the concept? So basically we have something like, I would say that this is a ceiling. So you have your ceiling like this, and you have your floor like this. Sorry about that, it's meant to be rectangle. Sorry, horizontal line, I mean. So basically you are having this place to be your what? The upside to be your resistance, and why the downside is your support. So you can liken the resistance to be the upside, which is like a ceiling, and your support to be resistance, which is like a floor. So if the market is trading and we have the prices of the charts moving here and it couldn't break it, it came down again, which becomes a support, and it couldn't break it, then we know that that place is a support. And once it goes up again and couldn't break it, then it's a resistance. So this actually happened in a ranging market. So how do we do this? Now, support and resistance, they can be identified on any time frame, but most importantly, you can identify it more on lower time frames, maybe like 4 hours and below. So that's the concept of support and resistance. So support becomes resistance sometimes, and resistance becomes support sometimes. This is what I mean. So let's say that we have, I'm going to reduce the font of this. So let's say this is our line. We have another line here, and we have another line here. So let's say the market has been moving. Markets moved here, couldn't break this resistance, came back again to the support. What happened? It moved up again, probably to this point again, and couldn't break it. Let's say it now did what? At this time, it was now here. Maybe it made a simple move and now was able to break it. So what happened? As soon as it break it, this place being our initial resistance before, is our initial resistance, and here is our what? It's our support. So once this happened and it was able to break it, and for us to confirm that there is a full break, the market or price have to come and retest this support zone. And this zone, once it has been retested and rejected with a bearish engulfing candle, a confirmation candlestick, maybe a bearish engulfing candle, an evening star, or whichever candlestick you use to confirm your bearish move, then you see that definitely the market is going to come to the next support zone. And once this has been once this support zone has been retested and saw that this market was able to break it, this has now become our what? Resistance. And this has now become our what? Our support. So you can now see the market moving all the way, maybe down again, all these kind of things. And this is where your concept of your trend line now what? Now comes in, because you now identify that the market is what? In a downtrend. So let me show you in the chart and tell you how this is done. So I will be opening my chart for you right about now to show you how to identify this resistance and this support. So my apologies. So this same thing concept also goes for an uptrend. So we have sorry about that. We have our resistance, we have our support. So let's say the market was moving up. So this place was where was our support before. And as soon as this market was able to what? Break this place, which was the resistance. what happened? The market come to retest this and move up. So this place is no more our resistance, is now what? Our support, and moving all the way to the upside. And what happened again? Maybe the market wasn't able to break it, came back again, and what happened? Maybe it was able to break it and the market moved up. Instead of this place being our support anymore, this place is no more our support, is now what? And this place is our resistance. This place is no more our resistance, now our support for an uptrend. So it's vice versa of what we have seen here. Now let us find an opportunity of what we have discussed right now. So I will be using step index to make this illustration. So first, I will be showing you what I mean by that. On a daily time frame, as you can see, though I said that we mark this out on a lower time frame, maybe like 4 hours and below. Looking at this place here, as you can see, this market has been trending down, right? This market has been trending down, but once it got here, what happened? It moved to the upside. Now, this is normally the market for the market to make corrections, but what happened? It wasn't able to break this place, which was the last place that, because as soon as this place was broken, we had this confirmation candlestick that this market wants to sell, which is a bearish engulfing candle. And what happened? The market sold. So it came to retest it. And what happened again? Came to retest it a little bit. And what came back to that zone where it was meant to break. But what happened? Did he break it? No, he did not. Instead, he went up a little bit, became shy of this place, of this zone, which was his resistance, and came back again. Now, was he able to break? No, it went up again. So this place has served as what? A major support zone for us in the market. So whenever the market is moving to this place, then we should expect that the market, we should pay attention to this zone in the market because it's our support zone. So most importantly, we should even be expected to take out our profits if we are selling this market. And as you can see, this is our support. But after it broke it, what happened again? The market went up. What happened? Came back to retest it. Now, retesting it, what do you think the market is probably going to do? There are two things. It's either it breaks it and come back to this support zone, or it goes up to this zone here, because this is another zone that this market was using in the past, as you can see. So now this, when it has been broken and retested and maybe it's going to move up, then we now expect this place, which was our resistance before, to become our support, and also this place is now our resistance. So we are not dealing with this zone anymore at the moment. So that is the concept of support and resistance. Also, if we scroll to a lower time frame, you'll be able to find out that this market was making lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. So that means that this place was a support before and it was broken. Retested, was what? Again broken. Came to retest it, now break it, and came to retest it again. So this place, which was our what? Which was our support before, is now our resistance. And where do we have our next support likely to be? Here. So this is how you draw your support and resistance, how you identify your support and resistance in the market. So in the next video, I will be talking about supply and demand, which is same or something close to support and resistance, and how to find them, and how do we draw this support and resistance, our supply and demand. I will be talking about that in the next video. So thanks for watching. If you like, kindly like it, share with other people who are interested in this educational financial market trading videos, and also subscribe to the channel. Till next time, peace out.